Spirulina is a potent supplement that is loaded with antioxidants and essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Spirulina is obtained from blue-green algae, a freshwater plant that is found in most parts of the world. Scientists refer to the spirulina supplement as a superfood because of its incredible health benefits. In this video, we will discuss the health benefits of spirulina. It is rich in nutrients. The reason why spirulina is referred to as a superfood is because it is loaded with essential nutrients and minerals that your body needs to thrive. Spirulina is rich in vitamin C, sodium, potassium, magnesium, carbohydrate, iron, phosphorus, and vitamins. It also contains folate, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamins B6, vitamin A, and K. Taking spirulina on a regular basis will help to enrich your body and brain with vital nutrients and minerals that it needs to thrive. It is a powerful antioxidant. Another benefit of spirulina is that it is a powerful antioxidant with amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Being a strong antioxidant, spirulina helps to protect your body against oxidative damage, which can harm your cells and DNA. Damage to your cells and DNA can cause deadly diseases such as asthma, tuberculosis, sinusitis, rheumatoid arthritis, and cancer. Clinical studies have shown that spirulina contains an active component known as phycocyanin, a powerful antioxidant that also gives spirulina its unique blue-green color. Phycocyanin helps to fight free radicals and also hamper the production of inflammatory signaling molecules, thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to reduce cholesterol. Clinical studies have shown that spirulina may help to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. LDL cholesterol is unhealthy fat in the blood that has been linked to causing heart disease. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology showed that spirulina helps to lower bad cholesterol levels by up to 40%. It also stimulates the production of good HDL cholesterol. It helps to boost energy. Spirulina is a powerful energy booster. Preliminary studies have shown that spirulina may help to boost your energy by unlocking sugar from your cells. Although these claims have not been scientifically proven, multiple clinical trials have shown that spirulina may help to boost your energy levels, thus making you more active and productive. It reduces blood pressure. If you are looking for a natural supplement to lower your blood pressure level, spirulina is a great choice. A small-scale study conducted in 2016 revealed that consuming spirulina can reduce blood pressure, especially in people who are overweight or are suffering from hypertension. Additionally, spirulina also helps to lower bad cholesterol levels, which has been linked to causing high blood pressure. It can also boost the production of good cholesterol, which has been clinically proven to help improve your heart health and also lower blood pressure. It helps to boost your metabolism. A 2014 study showed that taking spirulina on a regular basis can help to boost your metabolism. A higher metabolic rate means higher energy because your body is able to burn more calories. A high metabolic process also aids in weight loss because it allows your body to burn more calories than what you consume. So, if you want to lose weight or boost your energy levels by increasing your metabolism, then spirulina is your best bet. It reduces the chance of stroke. The number of people suffering from a stroke in the United States has increased drastically over the last decade. This is mainly due to the modern lifestyle that most people embrace. Multiple clinical trials have shown that spirulina can help to lower the chance of getting a stroke by up to 48%. Consuming spirulina can improve atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition that has been linked to causing stroke. This means that taking a spirulina supplement may reduce your chances of getting a stroke by nearly 50%. Spirulina also helps to reverse the damage done by eating unhealthy food, thus improving your overall health and wellness. Good health also means a minimal chance of getting a stroke. It reduces the symptoms of allergies. If you are looking for a natural but effective remedy to curb your allergic reaction, you won't go wrong if you add spirulina to your diet. Scientific studies have shown that spirulina may help to improve the symptoms of allergic rhinitis, which causes the nose to swell as a result of allergies caused by pets, environmental dust, and pollen grains. A 2013 study also found that spirulina could help reduce major symptoms of allergies, including histamine and nasal inflammation, itching, nasal congestion, runny nose, and sneezing. Spirulina is an incredibly healthy superfood that you should incorporate into your daily diet. If you take it as recommended, spirulina can help to reduce blood sugar, alleviate the symptoms of allergies, reduce the chances of getting stroke, enrich your body with much-needed nutrients, and much more. Additionally, spirulina is natural. It is obtained naturally from blue-green algae, meaning it does not contain harmful chemicals that may harm your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Also share this video with a friend who might enjoy it. And don't forget to check out the link and description below. As always friends, we wish you great wellness and happiness.